What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Let's head back to our friends over at Central Obsessions because it has been quite a while since we talked about that house, and all the talk that we had prior about the house was about their renditions, which are absolutely phenomenal. But today we're talking about an original fragrance, and listen, there is no one in this space more qualified to talk about this fragrance than me. I don't care. The fragrance in question, this, my friends, is Bleed Green. Yes, Bleed Green. Go Birds, Fly Eagles Fly, whatever you guys want to say. This is a tribute to the 2025 Super Bowl champion, Philadelphia Eagles. And if you guys know anything about me, I love the Eagles and I love Central Obsessions. Did they do the Eagles justice? Well, let's go over the notes. So in Bleed Green, you're gonna have sweet orange, green apple, bergamot, and ginger at the top. Green tea, ocean scent, sea breeze accord, lavender, and cedarwood in your mid, and in your base, ambroxan, vetiver, white musk, and tonka bean. Now, when this opens up, you get this beautiful, sweet, fruity blend that is gorgeous. Crisp green apple, really nice, sweet citrus before moving on to your mid, where your mid is the star of this fragrance. This fragrance's tea note is just addicting. I love how it plays off of those different marine accords, the sea breeze, the ocean scent, all that with the calming tea is beautiful before drying down to this slightly green, mostly musky scent profile that I love. It's so easy to wear. Now, when you do spray it on, it almost comes off a little violet leaf-ish, but I can't complain about that. I love that smell, and this is definitely a green fragrance. Now, does this embody the Philadelphia Eagles? Well, there's different ways to encapsulate the city, but it does live up to the name of Bleed Green. Shout out to my boy Kevin over at Central Obsessions. Definitely check him out for great renditions, but the originals that he's been pushing out are a lot of fun, and this one's a great one. You guys have a blessed day.